We're looking at the reinforcement install with the BAMTEC reinforcement carpets, which are a prefabricated reinforcement roll that you lift into position and simply roll out on the decking, reducing the install time with the steel fixers. We've worked in collaboration with Highton using their system of the BAMTEC mats. It's designed by Oriel, our structural engineers. Highton then do the detailed design and bending schedules for the BAMTEC, which we then bring to site and follow for install.
We've done a couple of projects previously with Bouygues, and when they were tendering this project, they got in touch for us to basically do a feasibility study of the use of BAMTEC on the project.
We crane the mats into position, remove the slings, untie the 2-3 tags that keep it rolled as a bundle, and then simply roll it into place. And they do 1 or 2 ties at the far end just to make sure that there's no slippage with the mat. The main benefits of the BAMTEC carpet is that it dramatically reduces the labour requirement for install. It's quicker and fewer fixers are required to install the slab reinforcement. Traditionally, you need to place and fix every individual loose bar. Instead, the roll comes prefab with that spacing dictated versus a lot longer to place and fix every individual bar.
In addition to that, around the column areas, we use a coupler system to break the continuity of the column bars initially. Once the 4 layers of BAMTEC are rolled out, then the splice bars for the columns are screwed to the coupler, and then the slab is poured with the splice bars for the next lift of columns protruding as they would in a normal situation. So that allows us to include over the columns all the additional punching shear, reinforcement, etc. that's normally tied in as a loose bar afterwards, and that we can include all of those into the carpet at the same time, so therefore making it a much simpler operation.
Our current cycle from completion of the deck to pouring is 2.5 days. A day or 2 for the reinforcement depending on the size of the pour, and then half a day to complete the concrete pour.